Hello and welcome back to Galileo's Bench. For this lab, we're going to be working with the night sky and navigating the night sky. So when we navigate the night sky, there's a couple of things that we have to be aware of. First, the stars in the sky, what we see in terms of constellations, stars, planets, really depends upon a couple of things. Actually, several things. Number one, where we are. If we're here, I'm not going to be able to see the stars down here. I'll see the stars here and up here, but I won't be able to see the Southern Cross. So, the stars I see depends on where I am in the world, in terms of latitude, but also there's a rotation, right? As the world rotates, the sky goes, the stars go across the sky. So as that happens, we see a different view. Well, of course, also, we're revolving around the sun. And so we'll see different stars here that we would not normally see if we were here in, let's say this is August and this is January. We'd see different stars here than we would here. So all these things taken into account, it's very confusing, very complex, because it depends on where we are in the world, when we are looking, what time of year. How do we keep track of all that? How do we understand and get a view for, let's say, where Orion's belt is, or where Betelgeuse is, or wherever any of the stars are? Well, the easiest way is to use software. Outside, we can use a planisphere, a sky wheel. Now, if we look over here, you'll have access in the kit to a very simple sky wheel. We'll also have this online. Okay? And you could build a very simple sky wheel. What you would do is cut along here, and then along this dotted line, and then cut the center out. Don't cut here. This is a fold. And then you fold it up. On this sphere, you cut all the way around, and you insert it in. And so you can say, for instance, July 30th at noon, you line that up, and you see what's on the southern horizon, the northern horizon, the western and eastern horizon. So, as I pointed out, where we are on the world matters. These particular planispheres are built for about 40 degrees latitude. So these are built for our area on the eastern seaboard. So now, that's one way to do this. Another way is through a software program. And the one we'll be using a lot of is Stellarium. It's a free download at stellarium.org. And Stellarium gives you a view of the night sky. Let me just do a brief little overview of Stellarium here. Now, this is set, as you see, we see a night sky at the moment. For a particular location, this is set for Paris. So you can set it for any location, and you should set it for your location. You have various ways to set, here's a location window, and you can set the time of day. You can set this for any day and see any date and time and any place. Remember, those are the three things that you need to understand: the date and time and place. and then you would see the particular stars in the sky. A little hard to see on these screens, right? But when you download Stellarium, you'll get a better idea. You see here, above the southern horizon, Rigel, Sirius, other stars. So, let me go back to the slides. And so as we see here, for this lab, assemble your sky wheel, download Stellarium, make sure you understand how to use the sky wheel and how to use Stellarium, and follow the instructions given to submit your results. And good luck.